Control your emotions and never beg for attention, love, or care. If someone doesn't want to talk to you, don't force them, because forced relationships don't last much longer. So why shatter your soul for temporary gain? Hold yourself together and distance yourself for the sake of your mental and emotional well-being. You're a good person. You're just trying to prove it to the wrong one. The right one will never let you beg for anything. People don't neglect those they love. They neglect either because you are no longer useful to them, or they don't want you to be the part of their life. Don't ever forget that. So be strong and value your sanity. Don't try to paint a different picture of them after experiencing all the red flags. You will hurt yourself more if you carry on.